Are you having problems in installing desktop programs on your Windows PC and you have probably seen this error message? Don't worry, as we have a fix for you and we will show you that in this video. So first on the list, run the software setup file with admin rights. In addition to that, unblock the setup file by right-clicking on the file. Select Properties, go to General tab, choose the Unblock option, then click Apply. Now another possible fix is to start or restart the Windows Installer service by opening Services. Right-click on your Windows installer, then select either Start or Restart. One can also resolve it by disabling all user account control policy. To do it, open Local Group Policy Editor, go to Computer Configuration, navigate to Windows Settings, click on Security Settings, select Local Policies, choose Security Options, then double-click on this option, then select Disable, apply the changes, and then restart your PC. And for your last resort, if you have a third-party software, temporarily disable it by going to your System tray, right-click the third-party software on your System tray, then choose the Disable option before attempting to install your file. So that's what you should do if you're facing the following error on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.